so Frankie,
Yes.
this is a 64X excavator mounted vibro.
Yes.
All right. It works off of the bucket circuit
Okay.
of the excavator itself.
Right.
And what we do is we take these hoses and we hook them right into where the hoses from the cylinder hook into.
Okay, very good.
All right. And those come right down to the sequential valve.
Yes.
So when you're in the cab
Yes.
and you want to curl your bucket,
Yes.
you curl it about halfway, it'll close the jaws.
Okay.
All right. When you curl it all the way,
Yes.
it'll drive pressure and the vibro will start shaking.
And what is the pressure that it has to
2,500 psi.
to?
Once
Okay.
you reach 2,500 psi, the vibro will start shaking.
start shaking?
All right.
Got it.
When you want to stop, you go to neutral. It'll stay
Neutral.
clamped.
Okay.
All right. When you want to open the jaws, you just rotate your bucket circuit the other way.
To the left.
Yep.
Okay.
And then the jaws will open.
Got it.
Okay. There's 3 hoses. You got your pressure hose.
Yes.
You got your return hose.
Yes.
And those go to the 2 fittings up where your bucket circuit goes.
On this one and this side
Yep.
as well?
Both sides.
Okay.
And then you have a case drain, which
Yes.
is the medium-sized hose,
Yes.
which goes all the way back to the hydraulic oil tank.
Okay, where is that connected
That
to?
goes up and goes up the boom and then down the boom and into the tank.
To the tank.
Yep,
Okay,
it
got
goes directly into the
All
tank.
right, very good. Very
Now,
good.
if you look over on this side, we have a check valve right there.
Yes.
Okay, so if for any reason one of these lines break,
Yes.
that check valve keeps the clamp closed,
Oh, good.
so you don't lose your pile.
Okay, good.
All right, we also have your horseshoe suppressor housing
Yeah.
for stability and low center of gravity.
Okay, got it.
All right.
All right.
And then you have 1,950 vibrations per minute, between 1925 and 1950.
Okay, very good.
All right, and
All
that's
right.
maximum driving ability with that pressure.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
That's with eccentrics. With those eccentrics, it gives us like 80 tons of
80 tons of driving force.
Okay.
Correct. Or centrifugal force, whichever way you want to call it.
Okay.
So
And then how much extraction force do we have here?
the extraction force is whatever the excavator can pull.
Okay.
That's the extraction force of this thing, because
Yeah.
you can actually pull on this thing probably about 35 tons. And 35 tons of extraction force, I don't think this machine can do, even
Right.
as big as it is.
Oh, great.
All right.
All right. Cool.
You got your connection yoke,
All right.
you know, and those can be built to fit any excavator. All right. Other than that,
Very good.
drive and pull pile.
Sweet.
You got
Thank
it,
you,
bub.
Steve.
All right. Okay, if the soil conditions are conducive for soft driving, it's real easy to take the piece of pipe, cut half of it away, and cut half of it away so you can grab onto only half of the pipe. As you can see here, we did that. We cut half of the pipe away, and we just left half of it standing. When we clamped onto it, we started driving the pipe into the ground, but the ground is so hard that we had to push down on it real hard. In fact, we were lifting the tracks of the excavator off of the ground. But what happened was the steel failed. If the soil conditions are right, the steel will never fail. You could drive it all the way into the ground. But since we're out here in our yard, the ground is really hard and really compact. And it's really clay, really sticky clay. So I was really pushing down hard with the excavator when this piece of pipe failed.